Hey everybody, Cliff with Woodman Builders. I want to talk to you about the Makita backpack vacuum cleaner. By far, one of the lightest ones I've tested today. At 10 pounds, it's super lightweight and it's compact, which is actually a cool thing. It's got some really cool features. It's got a couple things I'm not so keen on, but it does have some great features. First off, super long hose, so you got plenty of mobility. I got to test it just with the adapters for dust collection systems. I didn't have any other attachments with it, so that's all I had. It does fit other brands, locks right in, so no matter what brands, sander, saw, whatever you got, it connects right up to it. Found this to be a little cumbersome. It comes with an AWS system, which is a Bluetooth technology, so it automatically activates when you activate your device. I didn't have that to test. I had to do it manually. So this was a little cumbersome because I found that the hook didn't stay hooked and it would fall off. All in all, it still worked great. Just this might could use a little improvement. This one does have a bag system. It's got a separate bag. You can close it when you go to replace it. They do sell a reusable bag. This one is not reusable, but they do sell one. Has a HEPA filter as well. Dual filtration, so it cuts down a lot of the dust, but the trade-off to that is it does clog up pretty easy. Slides in, locks in place, right up, boom. You're back in business. Uses two 18-volt batteries for 36 volts total. One thing that I didn't really like about the batteries, and this has nothing to do with the backpack, is just the batteries. They're slick on the side, so if you got sweaty palms, it's a little difficult to grab them. You have to grab it from the front side. Other than that, great little vacuum cleaner, tons of power, 2-speed. Definitely check it out if you're looking for a compact, lightweight backpack vacuum cleaner. For more real deal reviews like this one, check out toolswithtrade.net.